The great way to add some distraction to the back seat is with an iPad mount for your car. It makes sense to install an iPad holder in your vehicle. You probably already own a tablet of some variety, and if you have kids, they're probably already using it extensively. You use the tablet you already own to make your car a more entertaining place for passengers of all ages to spend time. There are many products available to choose from, best iPad holders for cars, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews from customers, and compiled a list of the best iPad holders for cars from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Icarus Tablet Mount Kit. The Icarus iPad holder mounts securely to seat headrests. It allows 360 degrees of rotation, so that you can choose a comfortable viewing angle. We especially like the telescoping strut that allows the tablet to be positioned between the back seats. The Icarus can accommodate a variety of popular tablets and devices with screen sizes between 4.5 and 10 inches, and is among the most configurable. Buyers praise this model's durability, citing several years of trouble-free use. The tablet mount works for basic two-post headrest setups, and can be fixed on either the driver's or the passenger's side. If there's a problem, it's that this adjustable tablet holder mounts too securely. The Icarus can only fit devices up to 0.8 inches thick, so it may not work for extra thick impact-resistant cases. Number 2. TFY Universal Car Headrest Mount. This tablet holder from TFY uses a simple system to attach to a car's headrest. A white elastic band wraps around the headrest and closes with Velcro. While this simplifies the attachment and removal process, it means that you'll see the black elastic strap on the front of the headrest. It also means you can't use this iPad holder on vehicles with fixed, non-adjustable headrests. It will hold 7 to 11-inch tablets, and should work with most popular tablet cases too. Besides the too obvious elastic band, the TFY has an elegant profile, free of excessive protrusions and awkward fasteners. It would have earned the top place here, except for the fact that viewing angle and tablet position are more limited with the TFY relative to others on the market. Number 3. Macely Remount Pro. Macely's Remount Pro is similar to our number 1 pick from Icarus, in that it also mounts to headrest posts with thumb screws. It features a telescopic strut so your device can be positioned in your preferred spot. It doesn't top our list because we think its adjustment system isn't entirely on par with our editor's choice iPad holder. That tablet mount has a simple ball and socket system. However, this is still a worthy option because it offers 360-degree rotation, and will support most any device between 4.5 and 10 inches wide. It also features a stabilizer to keep your device firmly in place, and its compactness and lightness simplifies switching between vehicles. Number 4. Lumicall P-Car Headrest Tablet Mount. Lumicall uses a tension rod to keep this iPad mount secure to the headrest posts, not unlike what you might use to hold a shower curtain in place. Well, this makes installation a snap. But the Lumicall P-Tos have 360-degree rotation through the use of a ball and socket joint to attach the device grip. This is also one of the less expensive options you can buy. The manufacturer claims it's universal, meaning it will accommodate any device. We recommend checking carefully to make sure your tablet will fit. Manufacturers tend to throw around terms like universal somewhat recklessly. The Lumicall P is more elegant than some of our other picks, but it lacks its versatility. Users praised its easy installation and adjustment. Number 5. APPS 2-Car Universal Car Tablet Holder. If you own a car that still has a CD player, do you use it to play CDs? If you're like most people, you're probably using Bluetooth or an auxiliary cable from your phone, which makes that CD slot a vestigial organ as far as you're concerned. So why not put it to good use and mount a tablet to it? As crazy as it sounds, a CD slot tablet holder makes a lot of sense. It doesn't block any vents, and the CD slot is usually in a prime spot on your dashboard, making apps easy to operate. The only question is whether this is strong enough to do the job. Based on what users have said, it does seem that it will handle tablets up to around the 10-inch range, and do it securely, but bumpy roads can loosen some of the screws, requiring tightening. But once you figure it out and have it installed, it's plain sailing from there. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.